Welcome. In today's guide, I'll walk you through the updated steps to edit the privacy settings of a current post on Facebook. Whether you want to make a post visible to the public, limit it to your friends, or keep it completely private, this tutorial has you covered. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, head over to your profile by tapping on your profile picture or name at the top of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, scroll through your timeline to find the specific post you'd like to edit. Once you've located the post, look for 3 small dots in the upper right corner of that post. Tap on these dots to open a menu with several options. From this menu, select the option labeled Edit Privacy. This will take you to a screen where you can adjust who can see your post. Now, choose your desired audience. You'll see several options such as Public. Anyone on or off Facebook can view the post. Friends. Only your Facebook friends can see it. Only me. The post will be visible only to you. After selecting the appropriate audience for your post, confirm your choice by saving the changes. Simply tap Save or Done, depending on your version of the app. And that's it. You've successfully updated the privacy settings for your post. These simple steps ensure that you have full control over who can view and interact with your content. If you ever need to revisit or change these settings again, just follow these same steps. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to take charge of your online privacy.